Hey lovies, it's me Nisha, dropping in with a new video. And just like I said, y'all, I was gonna come back and do a full review on the Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation and the concealer that was sent over to me from Influencer and Makeup Forever. In review, all I gotta do is give y'all my honest opinion on these products. Like, that's it, that's all. So that's what I'm here to do. So first thing first, I want y'all to take a look at the next few clips where I am using the foundation and the concealer, and then I'm gonna pop back in at the end and give y'all my honest review on these products and how it all went down. So see y'all at the end. Alright y'all, so I'm standing in front of my window so we can get like good lighting so you can see all the things. Okay, so the foundation, it is a little bit dark. You can look at my neck and my face and tell, but for the summer it's okay. If I keep going outside, I'll probably get this chocolate, okay? But I do like the foundation. This is not my first time trying it out. This is actually my second. So please stay tuned after this clip so you can know all of my thoughts, like honest opinions on the foundation and the concealer itself. So yeah. Okay, so now that y'all seen me apply that foundation and that concealer and how my face all came together and how I'm sitting here with you today. So this is not my first time using this foundation. It's actually my second time trying it out. Y'all, the foundation, I freaking love it. Like, I freaking love it. Like, y'all see this, like, it really looks like skin. The only gripe I got is that it's a little too dark for me, just a smidget. Like, if I keep going outside this summer, it will match me perfectly. Like, y'all see the neck and the face and the transition in colors. Yeah, it's different, but I don't care. This face though, you see it. Okay, yeah, I really do like the color choice, but I just kind of feel like if I go like down a shade, it's going to be neutral and it's not really going to look good. And then if I go to like the next red, it's going to be too light. So with this foundation, I can mix it with another foundation to make it like match me if I really wanted to. But what I know for sure is I cannot use this outside of the summer. Absolutely. It cannot go into the fall with me. It won't work. It will not work. But for the color they chose, I guess I could show y'all. The color that I got in the foundation is 4R72. And it's the Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. The claims for the foundation is that it is lightweight. I think it's medium coverage. I do think so. I think it's medium coverage. Something about 24 hours. And I was just like, who keeping on makeup for 24 hours? Not she. And I also saw that it was, is it sweat-proof or waterproof? I think it's waterproof. I'll notate it in the screen which one for sure that is, but I do believe it is waterproof. And I noticed once it dries down, because when I was doing my makeup and I had some on the back of my hand and I went to wash my hand, I literally had to scrub a dub, like scrub dub for a good little bit to get the foundation off. So in the sense that once it dries down and your face is all set, I do believe it is partly waterproof, but it can't be like too waterproof because you got to get it off your face, you know what I'm saying? So it works for what it needs to work for. It looks good. The longer I had it on, the better it seems to look. Like once your oils and everything get up in there, it really gives you like dewy skin, like glowy skin, if you will. So for me, 10 out of 10, would recommend. Just find your right shade. That's all I gotta say. I need to find my fall shade because this is a really, really good foundation. I do like the foundation a lot. The sponge, no, because it's like part of it is a sponge and then part of it is like a different type of material. And I can't put my finger on it. I don't know what it is, but I know it ain't for me. Like I know it's not for me. I'm trying to see if I can see something that states like what that bottom part of the material is. It does not. But by the time I edit this video, if I find out what it is, I'll annotate it in the video as well. But this was just a no for me. Like it was doing too much. Like I don't know what this bottom part is. And when I went to blend it out, it was like it was blending, but it was taken away because it's like a different type of material than the sponge material, if that makes sense. So this was like a no for me. Like I don't know. No, it's just a no. Straight up no. So when it comes to the concealers, I like the concealers as well. They are lightweight as well. I was sent 2 of these. I got a neutral and a red. So for the neutral, I got 4.2 N, and the red I got 4.3 R. And as you can see, they are really, really neutral and red for sure. And I use both of them. I didn't think I was going to be able to use both of them, honestly, because that neutral, I looked at it and I was like, girl, who's going to use that? Who? But I did. Yesterday when I used the foundation and I used 4N, I used it for like to set my makeup and to carve out my brows. Worked very well. It was kind of like almost like a dead on match for my skin tone. So that worked out really, really well. So if I wanted to do just like a neutral eye, use this as eyeshadow base, it would be great. For 4.3 R is pretty much like my foundation color. Like it matched me. Like it matched me great. I can probably use this like all over my face if I wanted something like lightweight, just like skin light coverage type situation. I can literally use this as like a foundation if I really, really wanted to. So all in all, these 3 products, let me put the box down, child. The foundation and the 2 concealers were great for me. I just need to find like better colors, like a better suited color match for me. Then this would be awesome, like awesome, because it's really, really lightweight. I don't really feel like I have on foundation. And it works well. It holds up in the sweat. Matter of fact, when I wore it yesterday, y'all, when I wore this foundation yesterday, I was outside in the heat doing things like just, you know, outside activities, shopping, eating, all the things, right? Yeah, I was out there looking like a glazed donut. Like just out there looking real, real sweaty. Let me show you. So I'm just popping in, you guys. Like it is not sweat proof. Look at me. Y'all saw that? Y'all saw that? It was so hot. It was every bit of 100 degrees outside. And the foundation did not come off my face. So that's why I really do believe it is like waterproof. Like once it's set, it ain't going nowhere. It ain't moving. But y'all, I was a sweaty mess yesterday. I was like trying to do like a wear test. But y'all, when I got home, it was like 9:39 yesterday. And I was just like, absolutely not. I just want this off my face. At this point, I want it all off. Like I'm ready to shower. I'm ready to go to bed. Like it was a day, okay? So these products do work very, very well. I do like them. Like I said, just find your right colors. It is very lightweight. You really don't feel like you have much on your face. Like I have it on right now. Y'all saw the clips. Like you don't feel like you have anything on your face. Can't go wrong. I love them. So if you want something lightweight, buildable coverage, doesn't feel like, you know, a foundation is like sticking to your skin, this is a great option for you. If you like concealers, very lightweight. I won't say it's like too much coverage, but it's lightweight. It's like light coverage as well. So I like all 3 of these products. That sponge, they could have kept it. And that's that on that. So if you try this foundation, let me know. If you like this foundation, let me know. Yeah. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, love you.